SpaceX, the company of its own kind. The name that revolutionizes the aerospace communication and transportation. Just like his company, the founder of the SpaceX himself is someone who reformed the business world with his brilliance in technology. Elon Musk, the man who became the richest person in the world this year. Do you remember when he tweeted about his baby's name? That created a buzz everywhere. He named his baby XA12. Yes, isn't it unique? Well, everything about Elon Musk and his companies is unique. Musk has influenced the entire business world along with the aerospace manufacturing and communication industry. Today, in this video, we will tell you everything about SpaceX and Musk's contribution to the aerospace industry and how they rule the world. This video is powered by Babso. If you are interested in knowing the business world with a new perspective, please subscribe to our channel Babso Business. Before we get to SpaceX, let's talk about the mind behind this huge company. Elon Musk is the world's most influential and the richest entrepreneur today. His life, his work, and his venture are always in the spotlight because everything about him is uncommon. But it was not the same always. Only a few people know about his early life when he spent his childhood as any other normal child. Not exactly, but kind of. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in South Africa. His full name is Elon Reeve Musk. He is the eldest son of the three siblings in his family. In 1980, his parents separated. Elon Musk says that he got his personal computer at the age of 10. Believe it or not, in 1983, at the age of 12, Musk composed his own game and it was one of the Space Invaders-like games which was named as Blaster. He made $500 with this. Who would have guessed it? That one day the same child would reform the aerospace industry entirely and would take the world beyond imagination. Today, we all know Elon Musk as an innovative businessman, financial specialist, an engineer, and of course as one of the most popular entrepreneurs in the world. Especially, we know him as the founder, CEO, and lead planner of SpaceX. Moreover, as a fellow benefactor, CEO, and item engineer of Tesla. We recently covered a mystery behind Tesla. If you haven't watched that video, and the link of that video is given in the description area. Let's talk about SpaceX. So the story of SpaceX starts from 2001. When Musk considered Mars Oasis to send a small test nursery on Mars. Elon was already a powerful entrepreneur by this time. He was already the fellow benefactor and the CEO of Tesla. Then, and a few years back, he sold PayPal to eBay in a whopping amount of $7.5 million. Now, Elon Musk wanted to revolutionize the aerospace industry by making affordable spaceflight a reality. In 2002, Elon Musk came to Russia, searching for 3 ICBMs missiles, and there he found Mike Griffin. Previously, Mike Griffin had worked for the CIA's investment arm In-Q-Tel, which is like NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. He played a significant role in SpaceX. In Russia, Musk found Cosmotrans, a space company which offered one rocket for the $8 million. It was too expensive for Musk that he simply refused. By now, Musk understood that he could himself begin an organization to manufacture the moderate rockets he needed. So he started calculating that the raw materials needed to structure a rocket. He was surprised to know that this cost was only 3% of the retail price of the rockets at that time. In 2002 itself, Musk established SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies, his own organization with the objective of making a genuine spacefaring civilization. He had $100 million to lead the foundation of SpaceX. Now, SpaceX started creating space dispatch vehicles, with an emphasis on propelling the condition of rocket innovation. Their first two vehicles were the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 rockets. Their first two vehicles were the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 rockets, and its first shuttle is the Dragon. Even today, many people talk of Elon Musk as Tony Stark. If you don't believe us, Google it. In 2006, SpaceX was granted an agreement from NASA to proceed with the improvement and trial of the SpaceX Falcon 9. dispatch vehicle, and Dragon spacecraft to ship the load to the International Space Station. In $1.6 million, NASA Commercial Resupply Services program connected with SpaceX to serve them with 12 flights of its Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon shuttle. In September 2008, SpaceX Falcon 1 rocket became the first privately financed fluid-powered vehicle to place a satellite into Earth orbit. Yes. With time, SpaceX worked on some never-seen-before aerospace vehicles. In another 7 years, SpaceX planned the group of Falcon dispatch vehicles and the Dragon multipurpose spacecraft. 2012, May 15, the day SpaceX decided to create some stir. This day, SpaceX Dragon vehicle berthed with the International Space Station (ISS), and it had a solid impact on the world forever. SpaceX became the primary business organization to dispatch and compartment a vehicle to the ISS. It was in December 2015 when SpaceX brought its Falcon rocket back to the platform effectively. And let us tell you, it was for the first time in history when an orbital rocket had accomplished such an accomplishment. And then it became SpaceX, the first step towards rocket reusability, bringing down the expenses of access to space, Elon Musk's long-term objective behind SpaceX. In 2016, SpaceX launched 8 Falcon flights, and the very next year, it successfully launched 18 Falcon 9 flights. 2018 started even better when SpaceX launched the Falcon Heavy. Today, SpaceX is the biggest private maker of rocket motors on our planet. It holds a record for the most significant uplift to weight proportion for a rocket motor. SpaceX has created more than 100 operational Merlin 1ID motors. Every Merlin 1ID motor can vertically lift the heaviness of 40 average family vehicles. Now tell us if that's not impressive. Elon Musk, the mastermind, has never had the desire to make people a multi-planetary animal types. Instead, he said that the colonizing Mars would be a decent start. In September 2017, at the 68th International Astronautical Congress in Adelaide, he unveiled his plans to arrange and send the luggage deliveries in the following 5 years. Let's patiently wait. What do you guys have to say about these plans of Musk? Do let us know in the comment section. In 2021, SpaceX completed an equity funding of around $850 million. So with this, the company's valuation reached to about $74 billion. Moreover, SpaceX has raised some new funds at $419.99 million as a share. Let us tell you that SpaceX's latest funding round witnessed a high rise of about 60% in the company's valuation. And from its previous round in August 2020, when SpaceX raised near about $2 billion at $46 million valuation. So that was all about SpaceX. Tell us in the comment section if you like this information. We will be bringing more such videos to you. Do you want us to cover anything specific of your choice? Do let us know in the comment section. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Also, share this video with your friends and family. Let them know about Elon Musk's future plans for all of us. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bucks of Business. To get daily updates about the business world, follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages too. Links are given in the description area. Thank you for watching.